Hey guys, Ethan here from Tentworld, Townsville, and today I'm going to be running you through the Ozpig Big Pig. So the Big Pig is a wood fire stove that brings more versatility to your outdoor cooking. It has an open top design, letting you remove the cooking port plates via the lifting handle, giving you the amazing flavour that comes with wood fire cooking. It also functions great as a fireplace when the door is open, as the heat radiates outwards, making it a great atmosphere to relax with family and friends. With the two ports, it allows you to have two separate pans and pots cooking at one time, and much like the traditional Ozpig, you can slow cook dishes via the side plates with the radiant heat. This allows you to cook 4 things at once with 3 times the heat volume of the original Ozpig. Features like the vented door allows you to control how much airflow is getting into your Ozpig, and accessories like the char grill plate and the flat grill plate can allow you to customize your cooking. So you can cook some bacon and eggs on this one, chuck your snags on the other one, and you can also add your smoker as well via the smoker adapter. So you just get this bad boy, slide her on top, and then the small piece on the other side, screw fits in on the end. Then you can use your smoker to do all your different types of roasts, while also using your extra port on the side here. And so if you want to check this out further, come into Townsville Tentworld or any of our other locations around Australia.